Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, The Lifeopedia. Here you will get life-changing short stories and biographies with motivational thoughts and ideas. So let's start the story. If I ask you, what's your biggest success? You may answer, earning $1 million, have a big house, cars, a sound bank balance, etc. etc. Isn't it? But here I am talking about a guy for whom success means defying death and proving that the human body has no limits. He has proved many a time that failure will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is strong enough. That guy was famous as Bear in his family ever since he was 1 week old, as his sister gave him the nickname. At the beginning of his career, he served in Special Air Service, a well-known special forces unit of the British Army. There he trained in winter warfare, jungle survival, demolitions, trauma medicine, high-speed driving and other survival skills. And that's when the disaster happened. During a free-fall jumping exercise in Zambia with his SAS squadron, he broke his spine, landing on his back. His parachute had refused to open at 16,000 feet. The damage was so severe, the doctors and surgeons told him that he might never walk again. Guess what happened after? Did he stop? No, not at all. He went through extensive training, and just under 18 months after the injury, he conquered Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak in the world. At 23, he became the youngest Britisher to scale the mountain. Honestly speaking, it was not at all easy for him. People who conquered Mount Everest know very well how tough and dangerous this peak is to conquer. Like all successes, this one also came to this young man by pushing his body to its limits at the grueling rehab programs conducted at military centers. Have you any idea about whom I am talking here? I guess you all know him very well. He is a renowned adventurer and the presenter of the famous show Man vs. Wild, Mr. Edward Michael Bear Grylls. From almost sure paralysis, he jumped back up again to full health recovery in a time period simply impossible for mortals. It became possible only because of his sheer hard work and firm determination. In other words, every task you have seen Bear do on TV wasn't close to being as difficult as repairing his body. And that's the reason why he is admired all over the world. To be honest, success, whether it is in a job, in a task, in relationships, in life, or in physical activities, takes mental, emotional, and physical strength. Your sweat decides how far you actually reach. But the silver lining is, whatever was impossible to someone has already been done by someone else. You must have the courage to bounce back every time you fall. Isn't it correct to say that if you cannot fly, then run? If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward, and then only your work will begin to speak for you. For more such inspirational stories, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, The Lifeopedia. Thank you.